Today we're talking AI productivity. Most productivity tools are a pain in the ass, and you have to jump between multiple tools to even be productive, and they make you less productive. Today I'm talking about a tool that is absolutely mind blowing. The name of this tool is Routine. I'm just not going to talk too much. I'm going to show you exactly what this tool can do. Now I have my phone and I'm going to send the voice command for what I want, and you can see what's going to happen now. I have a meeting with Ellie at around 5 p.m. today, and the meeting is about marketing strategy for the third quarter, for the beginning of the third quarter. I want you to add this to my calendar and then notify me when it's time for the meeting. 5 p.m. and the meeting is for 30 minutes. So I just sent the voice command. I'm going to show you on the screen. And just like that, this tool is going to add this voice command and is going to schedule a meeting for me easily. It is absolutely mind-blowing. Now, if I go over to my calendar here on the app here, so there's a mobile app and there's a desktop app. If I go over to my calendar and then you can see today I have a meeting with Ellie, it has automatically added it to my calendar and it's going to notify me when it's time for the meeting on my phone or on my PC. Now, once the meeting starts, I can click here to record, or it can automatically start recording the meeting or minutes of the meeting for me. So now, how does this tool work? Log in with your Gmail account or your work Gmail account, the account that you know you want to connect with, that you use for work, and you want to connect to the tool, and then it's going to do everything else for you. So let's say I'll just come here to settings, and then I'll connect my Google account by coming here to integrations, and I'll just connect my Google account. Super easy. There are different ways you can do that, but this is the basic way. So once I connect my Gmail account, my Gmail account has been connected to this tool. I can do whatever I want when it comes to automation. They have a built-in AI agents. You can integrate this tool with any of the following applications. You can see Google Calendar, Apollo, Asana, RTO, ClickUp, GitHub, GitLab, whatever it is you want to connect to this that will help you be more productive. You can connect it to this tool. It is mind-blowing. Now I'm going to show you some of the capabilities. Now, if I come here to assistant, this is an AI assistant. I can literally just ask her anything. So I can say my meeting, let me just type it, my meeting by 5 p.m. with Ellie, move it to let's say 4:30 p.m. today. Once I just do that, I'll just click on enter or send, and it's automatically reschedule my meeting. Now that's one way to use it. That's the basic way. I can literally ask this assistant to do whatever it is I want. So this assistant could be configured in any way that you want to configure it. So you can configure it to be your marketing assistant, you can configure it to be your personal assistant, whatever it is you want. You can just come here and click configure, and you can type in what you would like, your preference that you would like this assistant to work as for you. You can see your user preferences, agent instructions. You can give your own instruction in natural language, so you don't have to write any code. This is natural language. So if I go back to my calendar, you can see the meeting time has been rescheduled for 4:30 as opposed to 5 p.m. The AI assistant, you can do a lot here. You can ask her to reply to your emails, to check your emails and tell you if you have any important messages that you've not replied to, stuff like that. You just have to configure it. And you can also set automation. So if I come here to automation, you can see right here, I have an automation that I have running. Now this automation means every morning by 9 a.m., as it says here, this AI is going to come up with brand new AI side hustles or AI business ideas, and is going to list them out to me and send them to my notes, save them in my notes, and save them on my tasks. So I'll know I have to go through these things and fizz out the ones I don't want. Let me show you how easy it is. So if I come here, you can see, you just click here, and then you go over to settings, and you can see agents, you can see automation. So let's use automations first. I'll just click on new automations. It's going to ask me the name of my automation. So let me just say brainstorming. And then I can choose if I want to add an AI agent to the automation. So if I add an AI agent, they have a lot of AI agents here for different purposes. You can create your own AI agents. But let me just say I want to add an AI agent, and I'll just choose the AI agent I want. So Bob, because Bob is a social media specialist. So I'll add Bob here, and I'll click on create. You can see, so now this agent here is going to work with the automation. So there's a trigger here. The trigger means what should trigger the automation. So I can say I want to do it manually, I want recurrent, maybe every morning they should give me whatever information I want or do whatever thing, or reaction. If I come here to recurrent, it means every morning this automation is going to do a certain task. Well, let me just say, give me 10 AI business ideas. So 10 business AI ideas, and I'll add steps. Step two, when she generates the ideas, save it in my notes. Save it in my notes. So there's notes here, and to give me come up with the idea, and then it will save it automatically in my notes. I don't have to do anything. So once I've done this is how easy it is for you to create an automation. I'll just click on save, and then I'll click on run, so you can see now it's brainstorming, it's thinking. So let me show you the previous one that I actually did. So if I come here to automations, you can see ideas brainstorming. You can see what I did. I said always search the web and give me good AI business ideas that I can start that cost $0 to start. So, and then I said add the business ideas into my task notes and also to my calendar at 10 a.m. every morning, so I get notified. So you can see I gave it specific task for it to carry out. Now this is the first one that I did. You can see 10 AI business and best AI business ideas to start with $0. You can see all of the ideas, and then I can either decide to tell it to expatiate on any of this idea. You can see all of the ideas. It's absolutely mind-blowing. And then if I go over to my calendar, you can see it has added it to the 18th, which is tomorrow, for me to review the AI business ideas. You can see here, and if I go over to my inbox, you can see here. It is absolutely mind-blowing, the capabilities of this tool. So that's just one. So let's say I go over to settings again, and then I come here to agents. They have a list of agents here that you can use. You can see operations manager, AM, social media specialist, lead generator, executive assistant. You can add all of these AI agents to your chats, and then you can speak with them and they'll handle tasks for you to the best of their capabilities. Or you can create a custom one, a custom AI agent for yourself for a specific need. Now on their channel, they've done a lot of videos explaining how this tool works. You can go out and check out this tool so you can get started with it. It is absolutely mind-blowing. I was actually shocked when I found out about this tool. The tool is actually mind-blowing. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this useful. I'll see you in another video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out any updates like this. And I'll see you in the next video.